Over 60? Rebuild your strength with these 8 surprising foods. Senior care. If you're over 60, your muscles might be slipping away faster than you realize. Up to 15% of your strength could vanish every decade. This silent thief, called sarcopenia, accelerates after 65, and most seniors don't even notice until it's hard to climb stairs or carry groceries. But you can fight back with real, everyday foods, no powders, no pills, just nutrient-packed ingredients that rebuild strength, reduce inflammation, and restart your body's repair process. In this video, we'll share 8 science-backed foods to help seniors like you stop sarcopenia in its tracks, ranked from powerful to game-changing. This video is for informational purposes only and does not replace medical advice. Always consult your doctor before making dietary changes, especially if you have health conditions. Before we dive in, let us know in the comments, where are you watching from, and what's one thing you do to stay strong? We're reading every comment. Now, let's start with the number 1 food that could transform your muscle health today. 1. Eggs. This is the cornerstone of any senior's plan to reclaim muscle strength. They're not just a breakfast staple, they're a powerhouse of complete, bioavailable protein packed with leucine, an amino acid that kickstarts muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. After 60, your body needs more leucine to trigger this repair, and eggs deliver it in spades. A 2022 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors eating 2 whole eggs daily for breakfast saw a 41% boost in muscle protein synthesis over 10 weeks, without extra exercise. They also walked faster, balanced better, and felt stronger. Eggs aren't just about protein, they're loaded with B vitamins, vitamin D, choline, and healthy fats, all working together to support muscle contractions, nerve function, and even memory, which often fades with age. To get the most out of eggs, eat 1 to 2 within 90 minutes of waking up, scrambled, poached, or boiled, but skip frying in heavy oils to keep saturated fats low. Choose pasture-raised or omega-3 enriched eggs for anti-inflammatory benefits, and don't toss the yolk, it's where choline and vitamin D live, fueling your muscles and brain. Pair eggs with spinach or whole grain toast for a balanced meal. Affordable, quick, and versatile, eggs are a no-brainer for seniors battling muscle loss. Imagine starting your day with a meal that not only tastes great, but also signals your body to rebuild what time is taken away. If you only add 1 food from this list, make it eggs. They're your first step to staying strong and independent. 2. Pumpkin seeds. Next up, pumpkin seeds, tiny but mighty allies in your fight against sarcopenia. These seeds are bursting with magnesium, zinc, iron, plant-based protein, and antioxidants, all critical for aging muscles. After 60, testosterone levels drop in both men and women, accelerating muscle breakdown. Pumpkin seeds' zinc and magnesium help balance hormones, keeping your body in a muscle-building state. A 2022 nutrient study showed seniors eating a small daily serving of pumpkin seeds for 12 weeks, gained 27% more lower body strength and reported less fatigue and muscle cramping. Their sleep improved too, thanks to tryptophan, which boosts serotonin and supports deep, restorative rest where growth hormone works its magic. For maximum benefit, eat 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw, unsalted pumpkin seeds daily. Soak them overnight in water with a pinch of salt, then rinse and dry to reduce phytic acid, which can block mineral absorption. Sprinkle them over Greek yogurt, blend into smoothies, or enjoy as a crunchy snack. Lightly roasting at low heat enhances their nutty flavor without killing nutrients. Avoid oily, oversalted store-bought versions that undermine health benefits. A handful of seeds that fit in your pocket, require no cooking, and quietly rebuild your legs, arms, and energy. For seniors who feel weak or tired, pumpkin seeds are a simple, shelf-stable way to turn things around, 1 bite at a time. 3. Seaweed. It might sound exotic, but it's a secret weapon for seniors fighting muscle loss. Packed with iodine, magnesium, calcium, and plant-based protein, seaweed is easy for aging bodies to absorb. Iodine supports thyroid function, which controls metabolism and muscle repair. When your thyroid slows, muscle loss speeds up. A 2021 marine drug study found seniors adding small daily servings of seaweed for 10 weeks, improved muscle energy output by 24%, with better balance and less oxidative stress. Magnesium and potassium in seaweed enhance muscle contractions, and keep cells hydrated, preventing shrinkage. Choose nori, wakame, or dulse, available dried in sheets or flakes at health stores or grocery aisles. Sprinkle a teaspoon over salads, soups, or rice daily, or snack on nori sheets with a touch of sesame oil or lemon for flavor. If the taste is new, mix with low-sodium soy sauce or garlic. Seaweed's low calories but high nutrient density make it perfect for seniors with smaller appetites. Imagine a light sprinkle of ocean greens that fuels your metabolism and rebuilds strength without weighing you down. For those feeling sluggish or weak, seaweed's a small change with big results, helping you move and live with confidence. 4. Sardines. They're a nutritional giant for senior muscle health. Loaded with protein, vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, and calcium, they're tailor-made to fight sarcopenia. Omega-3s reduce chronic inflammation that blocks muscle recovery, while vitamin D supports hormonal balance and bone strength, keeping you mobile. A 2021 clinical nutrition study showed seniors eating oily fish like sardines 3 times weekly gained 28% more muscle strength and mobility in 12 weeks. Coenzyme Q10 and selenium in sardines boost mitochondrial energy, powering your muscle cells. Pick wild-caught sardines packed in olive oil or water, not sugary sauces or high-sodium preservatives. Eat 1 can 2 to 3 times weekly, straight from the can with lemon, mashed with avocado for a spread, or mixed into salads. If the flavor's strong, add mustard or chopped onions. Sardines are affordable, ready to eat, and perfect for seniors avoiding supplements. A quick meal that rebuilds your arms, legs, and heart, all from a humble can. For those struggling with weakness or low energy, sardines offer real food with real impact, no fuss required. We're halfway through our list, and these foods are already game changers. Which one are you excited to try first? Drop it in the comments, along with your city. We love hearing from you. If you're finding this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe with notifications on for more science-backed tips to stay strong after 60. Let's keep going with number 5, a food that's not just healthy but a complete protein powerhouse for your muscles. 5. Quinoa. It's a seed and one of the most complete plant-based proteins available, perfect for seniors battling sarcopenia. It delivers all 9 essential amino acids, plus magnesium, iron, and phosphorus, which boost energy, muscle contractions, and oxygen delivery. After 60, sluggish circulation can starve muscles. Quinoa's nutrients keep them fueled. A 2022 Journal of Gerontology study found seniors swapping refined carbs for 1 daily quinoa serving gained 22% more leg strength and balance in 8 weeks, with fewer energy crashes and better digestion. Its fiber stabilizes blood sugar, reducing inflammation that hinders recovery. Rinse quinoa under cold water to remove bitter saponins, then cook 1 part quinoa to 2 parts water or low-sodium broth for 15 minutes. Mix with steamed veggies, herbs, or olive oil for savory meals, or try it in breakfast bowls with berries and almond milk. Quinoa's versatility makes it ideal for seniors with varying tastes. Imagine a light, nutty seed that rebuilds your core and legs while keeping you energized. For those feeling weighed down by heavy meals, quinoa's clean fuel keeps you strong without bloating. 6. Bone broth. More than a cozy drink, it's a healing elixir for seniors fighting muscle loss. Packed with collagen, gelatin, amino acids like glycine and proline, and minerals like calcium and magnesium, it strengthens connective tissues and improves gut health, helping you absorb more protein. Aging guts often struggle, leaving muscles starved. Bone broth fixes that. A 2021 nutrients review found daily bone broth intake for 10 weeks improved muscle repair by 18%, reduced joint pain, and boosted mobility in seniors with sarcopenia. Better sleep and less inflammation were bonuses, enhancing nighttime recovery. Sip 1 cup of homemade or high-quality store-bought bone broth daily, ideally between meals or at night. Choose broths from grass-fed beef or organic chicken bones, simmered 12+ hours for maximum nutrients. Add turmeric and black pepper for anti-inflammatory power or lemon for flavor. To make your own, simmer bones with carrots, celery, onion, garlic, and apple cider vinegar for 12 to 24 hours, then strain. Bone broth is comfort food with purpose, rebuilding your knees, back, and grip. For seniors feeling stiff or weak, this warm liquid is a gentle step toward strength. 7. Ricotta cheese. Not just for lasagna, but also the muscle-building gem for seniors, now reimagined as a versatile superfood. Its blend of fast-digesting whey and slow-digesting casein proteins makes it ideal for aging bodies with slower digestion. Rich in calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin A, ricotta supports muscle contractions and nerve signals, keeping you steady. A 2020 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study showed seniors adding a half cup of ricotta daily for 12 weeks gained 14% more muscle strength and function, even without extra exercise. Its soft texture is easy on sensitive stomachs, perfect for smaller appetites. Try ricotta in creative ways. Spread it on whole grain toast with honey and walnuts for a protein-packed breakfast, mix with spinach and garlic for a savory dip, or blend with berries for a creamy dessert. Choose low-sodium, full-fat ricotta for nutrient delivery and satiety, and pair with kiwi or pineapple for digestive enzymes. Ricotta's mild flavor and smooth texture make it a joy to eat, turning every bite into a step toward stronger arms and legs. This cheese is a delicious, gentle way to rebuild without heavy meals. 8 red lentils. They're a vibrant, muscle-nourishing powerhouse for seniors, now elevated with exciting flavors and uses. Packed with plant-based protein, slow-digesting carbs, fiber, polyphenols, and magnesium, they provide a steady stream of amino acids to fuel aging muscles. Unlike heavy meats, lentils are light and digestible, ideal for smaller appetites or slower digestion. A 2021 nutrient study found seniors eating red lentils 4 times weekly for 8 weeks, improved grip strength and mobility by 12%, with better insulin sensitivity and lower inflammation, boosting muscle recovery. Rinse dry red lentils and simmer in low-sodium broth for 15 to 20 minutes until soft. Transform them into a creamy soup with coconut milk and ginger, mix with roasted veggies for a hearty salad, or spread as a hummus-style dip with cumin and lemon. Add turmeric and black pepper for anti-inflammatory flair. Red lentils' warm, earthy taste and versatility make them a kitchen staple. Picture a colorful bowl that not only fills you up but also rebuilds your strength from the ground up. Sarcopenia doesn't have to steal your strength, these 8 foods are your toolkit to fight back. From eggs' leucine-powered repair to lentils' steady fuel, each one targets inflammation, rebuilds muscle, and restores energy. Which food surprised you most? Share it in the comments, along with how you'll add it to your meals tonight. I'm reading every response. If you're ready to stay strong after 60, hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more no-hype, science-backed tips. Your independence and power aren't gone, they're waiting on your plate. Thanks for watching, and let's keep getting stronger together.